Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. Let me open the document straight away and we'll start discussing the various points for today. Have a look at this. The first one on the screen, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, works under the Ministry of, important one, is it Ministry of Agriculture or Ministry of Health and Family Welfare or Ministry of Food Processing or the Ministry of Child Development? Look at the question once again. It is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. This works under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Kindly remember this one. Look at this. So this is an autonomous body, meaning independent body, established under this particular ministry, and it was established in the year 2006 through Food Safety and Standards Act, and this is a consolidating statute, meaning law, related to the food safety and regulation in India. And this particular autonomous body in India is responsible for protecting and promoting the public health, meaning people's health. How? Through the regulation and supervision of food safety. That is the reason why, if you look at the food nowadays, lots of, this malpractices are taking place. We are getting this adulterated food and people's health is getting spoiled. So obviously there is a mechanism, there is a check to check the food safety in India. And this is the body, so that will be working towards that. And kindly remember, health is a very important criteria, and as far as health is concerned, the food safety is also one of the important criteria in that. So whenever you come across with all these things, please go through that particular news very carefully and thoroughly, and also look at the Act, Food Safety and Standards Act. It was passed in the year 2006. Next, another very important one with respect to education. This is called Performance Grading Index. This is called PGI, Performance Grading Index. Hopefully you remember, it was started in the year 2019, right? And it is an initiative of Ministry of Education, Niti Aayog, UNICEF or UNESCO. Please remember, option A is the correct answer, that is Ministry of Education. And I told you in the earlier classes many times that today whatever you are calling Ministry of Education, earlier it was called Ministry of Human Resource Development, right? That is called MHRD. And it has been renamed as Ministry of Education in the year 2020. Kindly remember this, right? And PGI is an initiative of Ministry of Education, right? So look at this. It was first published in the year 2019. When it was first published, it was first published in the year 2019 for the year 2017 and 18. This exercise is done with the aim of undertaking multi-pronged interventions which could help various states and administration to reach the desired goals in education. If you look at the levels of education, standards of education in India, in Indian states and union territories, there are so many variations. So now you need to standardize that. So this particular grading index will be helpful in creating such standard, and this report will act as good source of information of best practices that are followed by the states and union territories. If any state or if any if any union territory is following certain best practices that can be adopted by other states and other union territories. Clear? Important one. This PGI provides grading to the states and union territories on the basis of 70 parameters to assess and catalyze transformational change in education. Entire world is concentrating on improving the standards of education, and India is also on the same path. Clear? Look at this. If you look at the 5 states and union territories, what are they? Chandigarh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, followed by Kerala. They have attained the highest grade, that is grade A++. This is for the year 19 and 20. Very important one. Please have a look at this very closely. Fine. So that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with more topics. Thank you so much. Take very good care.